The stock market is rigged, and they're even saying it on Wall Street Bets, where we are banned for being too based. They chopped this thing the entire session as expected. FOMC 1400, nothing. And then a crazy, insane, ridiculous pump. I mean, this is insane. You're going 6 strikes above the blue line. But even crazier than that, and the most rigged thing imaginable, is that we close below the blue line. Year to date, May 1st, SPY has never gone $3 higher than the opening price and closed lower. We get very close on March 8th at the open, but this is crazy. So if you missed these insane trades, see them on the website. Click the link below. You're buying 10 contracts of those 3 bouncing bears, $2,039, and your return at the end of the session is $14,707. 6x buying and holding, because this is unheard of. You're going 6 up to almost 1 down. You're getting 7 strikes in under an hour in one direction. Unbelievable. Incredibly, ridiculously rigged. But if you're using Rigged AI, we crushed it today, people. We absolutely crushed it. Check out these results in our Discord. Editor, flow them in now. Wins today, absolutely insane. You can see this in the Flex channel. Join our Discord. Not making it up. That's like plus 2,000. That is me drinking a beautiful espresso martini after the market close. Lose small, win big. That's what it's about. Good job, brother. Public account, started trading it, live streaming to our premium members, 0%. Took some trades yesterday. 264, small win today, plus 22% on the account, over $1,000. Bang. Lil Benjay lost a little bit too big yesterday, brought it back today. Beautiful. What is this? Ready to 0 day. Can't even see it on the screen. Plus $5,000 on the session. Sister V, probably the perfect case study of coming in, trying it out, learning the system, and absolutely sending it, killing it. I mean, this number is ridiculous. Plus 37K, 113% on the portfolio. Withdrew 20K. Shadow, plus 300. Zen, 2,600. Ambien, I don't know what this says, but it looks good. Infrared Jesus, that looks good too. Man, incredible. Nothing is better than seeing users win. There's a lot to cover strategy-wise, a little bit longer video. First, we skip everything until 1400. This is ping pong purely, and that's what we expect when it's a JPOW FOMC day. Sleep in, relax, don't trade anything. Ignore tradability. We don't care about this because we know it is going to be nothing until the interest rate, whatever, drops and JPOW gets on the mic. We go into this thing expecting move, swing, move, which is a very basic way to say whatever the first reaction is to the FOMC dropping, that is the direction we want to chase, because we are going to move that way, and until today, close in that direction. Today is the first time where the swing was the best part. So, you're here, 501, you move up to 502. A $1 move didn't really feel like the first one. Didn't feel like it. But we got to get over our feelings, people. We got to get over the feelings. We'll cover this next in TradingView. Took the bears here. We'll show it in our public Webull account. Lost small, 20%. Switched, and then caught this massive rip. When you're looking at the rip, like I said, we'll get into it a little bit clearer, but 1436 until 1445, 11-ish minutes, you're getting $1, $2, $3, almost $4. That's what zero-day trading is about. That is what we want to be in. Because remember, if you watch the preview video, even if you're wrong on this, lost small, no big deal. If you switch, you're gonna make it all back and then some, right? You're gonna kill it. As soon as we get up here, this is like, you are PS 14.34. Anytime you're over 10 is incredibly terrifying, but we're 5.7, 5.59 above the blue. Have to be thinking there's going to be a pullback at some point in time. There's always a pullback. It never goes straight up. It never goes straight down. It ends up being the absolute best trade of the day because we got insane, ridiculous sell-off, Wall Street scam BS at the end, kind of like yesterday, 2 days in a row, which means probability, statistically, mathematically, pump tomorrow? Probably not. Not financial advice. But that's just the craziness of Wall Street. We need to always think, and this is why today worked, and this is why everyone made money when we were talking about it. This is why. We see the setup that we like. Move, swing, move. Caught it. We looked for the swing again. We lost a little bit. Kept the gains. That is what it's about, people. So we're going to talk about the setup mostly because this is crazy. The fact that we went up 6 strikes, closed below the blue, below the opening price, went negative on the day. It's just unheard of. Ridiculous, unreal, but that's markets. Markets are going to market. Wall Street is always going to crush as many people as they possibly can. And it's like these end up being the best trades, 15, 16. Let's see it. Oh my God, 420%, 15, 20, 600%. Nasty drawdown. 700% holding until the end. No drawdown. Win rate before this 0% because we don't have any when you're at 86% volume this high up. Just insane. So if you caught this, held on to it till the end, great job. That's not really something I want to cover because it's such an unusual, random thing. We want to optimize for seeing the setups that we like, taking them, and winning. Though if you wanted to trade these, you held on, just ridiculous. Love it. All right, time to cover in TradingView, perfect use of the system. Move, swing, move. That's what we expect to happen on a Jerome Powell, FOMC, speech, whatever. It's just what they do. We typically move in the direction of whatever this first reaction is. Here you see it at 1400, and that's a big old green candle. Not massive, but pretty big. When we look at the flow right here from 1420 on, it gets very interesting, right? It's super mixed, and we're looking at 1420 right here. So this is 1420 on. What are you getting? Bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull. And the way we need to think about it, that we talked about, is our bias is right here. Our bias is higher. And they had many chances to take this thing lower, right? They had a bunch of chances. They made it look like it was going lower, but it didn't. So we're looking for any single trade that gets us into calls, any single option alert, excuse me. And look at what you get. 1, 2, 3, 4. 23 minutes, 28 minutes, 31, 33 minutes. You're getting 100% plus. 293, 174. You are winning massively. Why do we win massively? Because when this thing goes at like 1440 to about, 1445, 46, 47, it's like 7, 8 minutes, and you're getting $4. This is four strikes. That is perfection. That is what you want to do. That is why we trade 0-day options. Because even if you pick the wrong side, said not to, whatever, you pick the wrong side, you're not winning anything, right? You're just losing. And if you switch and you even wait until this breakout right here to take a position, even though we expect to move in this direction, and we've already moved higher from there, even if you wait until the very last bull bomb, 1438, right there, you're getting 145% in 23 minutes. There's nothing like it when you pull it off. Because the worst mistake you can make, selling it 50%, 60%, 100%, when it goes to 140, 300 for some of these. I mean, we talked about buying out of the money. We talked about everything today. Just really happy you guys were able to capitalize. So that's like the first most important thing. Said that was most important. This might be more important. We look for swings after this, right? There's a bull bomb that comes in here. Delete all this stuff. This is like right around Robin Hood time. There's a bull bomb that comes in right here that we lost like $40 on, 20%. So what we're used to is move, swing, move. This was a very small first move. I was like, move, swing, move. And we expect to close in this direction. So what we expect when we're here is to come down here and then rocket higher, especially after Robin Hood is all knocked out. Didn't happen today. Didn't get it today. Literally said on the stream, almost every other session, 1530 is like a perfect trade to get 200% plus. And it was like perfect, except it went the other way. And that happens. And that's why it's so important. We always lose small and sometimes win big, right? We loved this setup. We love this right here. We get the move. You get the swing. We're looking for bulls. You're getting the option flow that matches the bias, which matches the setup, and you win the trade. That's what rigged is about, putting you in a position where the only thing you have to do is worry about how you're going to manage that thing. And obviously, we could have, you could have, we all could have managed it better. And you'll think about that with perfect information after the market's closed. But more importantly, we got the setup we wanted. You won the trade. Amazing. We got the setup that we wanted here. Bull swing, bull swing. They were trying to pump this thing after. They were trying. It didn't happen. And that's why we always lose small. Because you lose small on this, you win big on this, you have a great day. What else do you need to do? Nothing. That is what Rigged is about. So happy. Bunch of you guys got the win today. New members. Hope you were able to take a runner and just get that mental rep in of taking a contract to 100% plus. Because if you always lose small and you're able to take contracts, your option trades to 100% plus, you can do this. You can do this. You cannot do this if we get that bull swing that's right in here, whoop, goes up, you get 429 really quickly, it starts coming down, and you add to it. And then you add to it again. And then, oh my gosh, we're going to bounce at 427 and fly, and then you add to it again, and by here, you blow up your account. Just lose on it. Like, it's okay. This was crazy. It's never happened this entire year where we've been up this high and then closed all the way down here below the blue. Whoop, whoop. It just doesn't happen. It's nuts. And that's okay. Like, obviously, you could have bought this and absolutely crushed it. We actually said, like, hey, right around here, if they nuke it, it's going. It's going. And it did. Didn't trade it. It's okay. What matters is we got the setup we wanted the first time, and we won. We got the setup we wanted the second time, and you lose small because you expect this thing to go way past 430. It doesn't. It's okay. That's trading. Tomorrow's another day. Post FOMC, month of May. Sell in May, go away. Who knows what's going to happen? Follow tradability. Always lose small, sometimes win big. So stoked you guys are getting the message, winning trades. Have a drink tonight, and keep it extra frosty wherever you are in the world. We love you.